welcome back to another gym vlog. Doing some pull-ups right now. We started off with some boxing, but I'm gonna get these pull-ups. I'm at 30, gotta get to 50 for my 50 pull-ups a day challenge. Let's go. Day 16, 50 pull-ups. Arms feeling strong. It's a dirty mirror. It's hard. Those are tough. The windshield wipers. Damn.
Nice. Create that space. Nice. Jab out, space out. Nice. Get that motion, nice. Nice. Working on that one arm. Hit him with that 1-2 thing again.
Uppercut.
1, 2, 3, 1. Ah. Nice. Ah. Focus those jabs, make sure they're connected. Snap. Nice. Snap,
Jabs
snap.
weaker.
Hey, just gotta get it. Get them away from you and strike it. Ah. Ah. Nice. Looking good. Looking good.
Just finished up at the gym. Heading over to Protein House right now to get some food. Post-workout, let's go. Just finished up at the Protein House, and I don't know if you guys saw that Whole Foods plant-based. That burger is really neat. So it's made from hemp hearts, pumpkin kernels, sunflower seeds, and whole grains, carrots, onions, garlic, and kale. And fresh squeezed lemon juice, and natural wood smoked spices. But 27 grams of complete protein. Pretty neat, and that burger was really, really good. The sauce was really good on it too, and I'll definitely be back for it. It was only about $11.50, so not too bad. I also got the baked sweet potato sticks on the side. They're kind of like sweet potato fries. But yeah, no wheat, no gluten, no soy, no peanuts, no tree nuts, no animal products, no cholesterol, no yeast, no added oil, which is really cool, no added sugar, and no GMOs. So, Protein House with the good. All right. So I'm back home now, and I forgot to drink my Thrive multi-nutrient this morning. It's basically like a multivitamin, but all from Whole Foods. So I just put a little bit in here. I don't even know if I do a full dose. I don't think that's a full dose, but add some water to it. So aside from the color, I know it looks pretty gross, but it has a pineapple flavor to it, and it's actually pretty good. It's a beautiful sunny day in Arizona. If you guys know me, you know I love sunny days. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. And now for another post-workout meal, we're gonna hit them with some raw plant protein from Vivo Life Perform. Got the vanilla flavor. Start off with a little bit of water. Then we'll hit them with some protein powder, a little bit of soy milk, and then we hit them with a stir. And then we proceed to drink. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.